anticipate power outages. That is something that will likely to happen with a hurricane of this magnitude. Anticipate fuel disruptions.
Overnight, Ian now becoming a hurricane, barreling toward Florida.
Hello everybody, Florida Supreme here. Tomorrow is the hurricane, so I thought I'd come here and maybe the lines will be shorter, but it's not looking that way. 70-minute wait for Frozen, 85-minute wait for Ratatouille. Doesn't look like a good idea. But we check it out. Tomorrow's a hurricane, today's Epcot.
I guess you could call it the calm before the storm.
I have to say, there's a hurricane coming tomorrow, but it's not affecting these people. It's just like every day here.
This might be the first sign that a hurricane's coming. They're wrapping these up with saran wrap. I don't know if they normally do that. But other than that, everybody's acting normal. It's like a normal Tuesday. You see cast members wrapping up these signs with plastic wrap.
Hey, what's going on?
I guess they're gonna wrap Spaceship Earth in plastic wrap.
I am starving. I'm gonna get some Chinese food over here. Maybe some orange chicken. Orange chicken. It is soaring is 10 minutes. Living with the land is 10 minutes. Figment 5 minutes. Spaceship Earth 5 minutes.
No, that's okay.
Ratatouille 70 minutes. Sucks. And Frozen is 55 minutes. That's not bad. Test track. Test track 65 minutes. And Mission Space 10 minutes. Alright, I think I'll go ride Soaring. Only 10-minute wait. That's not bad. Done land. 10 minutes. This is gonna be a walk-on, hopefully.
It's empty. Oh my God.
Never see Soaring empty like this. This is great. So now I wish Ratatouille was like this. It'll be awesome. All right, walk right on. Smells good.
I think their machine broke. It's going
Spraying the wrong way.
Yeah, this is like one of the lands.
This is the Fiji smell of spraying.
Yeah.
It broke.
Yeah, it's in the Bahamas.
It leaked.
We are C, but that's Pinellas Park.
Category 4.
See, Pinellas Park, C, we should have been evacuated.
All right, just got off of soaring, and I got the best seat in the house, the front center row. So when the ride starts, you're at the top, and you don't see no dangling feet, and you're in the center, so you don't see the sides, and you really don't see the top of the screen or the endings of the screens. So pretty good. And before I step out of Epcot, head home and bunker down, I think I'll ride the Nemo ride. And it is only a 5-minute wait, so sweet. Nemo, where's Nemo? Thing, this mechanical arm thing. That's pretty cool.
Stop fooling around! Office. Hey, open wide!
Does anybody remember in Epcot in the beginning when the soap dispensers were like powder? That was so good. It felt like it really cleaned your hands. I missed the shut up. Back in the 80s. Yeah, that used to be water, and then every once in a while you see a scuba diver come up there and go down, and I think one time Mickey came through there in his scuba gear. Look at that. Broken light. Somebody has to get up there and change that light. Malfunction. It's still red.
Maybe a few of them are broken. That yellow one's protected.
It's a couple broken ones, yeah. Oh, no, I saw a green one. No, it's red. It's the only red one. Yes. It's, yeah. All right, out of Epcot. Thought I might stop at Walmart right here. Closest Walmart to Disney here on Vineland. And see what's going on in here. See what's left. I need to get some flashlights. Oh, damn it. Flashlights. Where's the flashlights? Maybe it's here, we just don't see it. Flashlights, it's camping stuff. So I found the flashlight section. It's right here. And there's 0 flashlights. Wait a minute, is there candles or something?
Something that will likely to happen with a hurricane of this magnitude. Anticipate fuel disruptions.
The lines at gas stations across the state are already long. Emergency management officials say they're preparing for the worst.
More than 2 million meals and more than 1 million gallons of water to be ready to be sent into impacted areas.
I just got here and it's saying that there's no water here.